Welcome to our lecture online. Our next example looks even less like a standard quadratic equation, but nevertheless it is. What we can do here is take the fraction 16 over 81 and move it to the left side of the equation. If we do that, we get the following. We get y squared minus 16 over 81 equals 0. It still doesn't look like a quadratic equation. Well, let's do one more thing. We can then take the square root of this and square it. So we can write this as y squared minus the quantity 4 over 9 quantity squared equals 0. And now it looks like the difference of squares. Now it looks like a quadratic equation where the middle term again is missing. The b is equal to 0. We could say that a is equal to 1 and c is equal to, yes indeed, it can be written as minus 16 over 81. So there we have it. There's the values for b, a, and c. And now we can solve that by factoring it as the difference of squares. So this can now be written as a quantity y plus 4 over 9 times y minus 4 over 9 and set that equal to 0. Y times y gives us y squared. The middle term will disappear and the third term will be minus 16 over 81, which means that either y plus 4 over 9 equals 0 or y minus 4 over 9 equals 0. Remember, when we multiply two numbers together or two binomials together, if we get 0 as a product, that means either one or the other must equal 0, which means that y must equal minus 4 over 9 or y must equal a positive 4 over 9. And those are the two solutions to this quadratic equation, even though it didn't look like a quadratic equation. And that is how it's done.